Hello! Welcome to Optimal You, your nutrition guide. Today, we're diving into a lean, delicious fish that could honestly be a game changer for your weight loss and cholesterol management goals.
So, are you looking for a food that actually helps you manage your weight and is a true champion for your heart? Well, if that's you, then you are definitely in the right place. Okay, let's dive right in. The answer to that question might just be a fantastic flatfish called turbot. Now, turbot is a super highly valued fish, and not just for its mild, wonderful flavor, it's got a seriously impressive nutritional profile, which makes it pretty much perfect for anyone focused on a low-fat diet. So let's break down exactly why it's such a smart choice. We're going to start with the big three macronutrients. That's fat, carbs, and protein, and see how they create this perfect trio for managing weight and cholesterol. First up, let's talk fat. Now, take a look at this number. Just 1.3 grams of fat per 100 grams serving. I mean, that is incredibly low, which is fantastic news if you're watching your intake. And here's a really crucial point. The type of fat is what really matters. The fat you find in turbot is mostly the healthy, unsaturated kind. You know, the good stuff. This is the type of fat that helps manage those bad LDL cholesterol levels, making it just fantastic for your heart health. Next up, carbohydrates. At only 1.2 grams per 100 grams, turbot is exceptionally low carb. For anyone managing their energy or following a specific diet plan, this number is a huge, huge plus. So what does this mean for you? Well, it means turbot gives your body clean fuel to top up its energy reserves, but without any risk of a carb overload. It's all about sustained energy, which is exactly what you need to power through your day and your workouts. All right, let's move to the final piece of our trio, and this is a big one: protein. A 100-gram serving of turbot packs a powerful 16 grams of high-quality protein. This high-quality protein is basically your best friend for weight management. For one, it helps you feel full and satisfied, which just crushes those cravings. And two, it's absolutely essential for maintaining lean muscle. See, when you're in a calorie deficit, your body can sometimes lose muscle along with fat. We don't want that. Preserving that muscle is key because it keeps your metabolism burning strong. And here's what makes that protein premium. Turbot gives you all the essential amino acids. Think of these as the VIP building blocks of protein that your body can't make itself. Getting all of them from one source, like turbot, means your body has exactly what it needs for stuff like muscle repair and growth. It just makes the protein incredibly efficient. Now, beyond the macros, turbot also delivers a fantastic supporting cast of micronutrients. So let's take a quick look at the vitamins and minerals that offer even more health benefits. This fish is just packed. Most notably, it's got potassium and magnesium, two minerals that are vital for cardiovascular wellness because they help regulate blood pressure. On top of that, you're getting vitamin A for your vision, vitamin C for skin health, and calcium and phosphorus for strong bones and teeth. So now that we know how good it is for us, how should we actually eat it? Let's talk about preparation and a very important safety note. To keep it healthy, you're going to want to stick with low-fat cooking methods that preserve all those amazing nutrients. Things like grilling, poaching, baking, or even a light pan fry are all excellent ways to prepare this delicate fish. Okay, this next point is absolutely critical, and I want to be very, very clear here. You must always, always consume turbot fully cooked. Let's be really direct. The source material states it's potentially harmful to eat turbot raw because it can contain toxic substances like mercury. This is not something to take lightly. So no turbot sushi, no ceviche, just make sure it's cooked all the way through. So after all that, what's the big picture? Let's wrap this up with a clear takeaway on why turbot is such a powerful choice for your diet. You know, this table really says it all. You're getting extremely low fat to support your heart, a high dose of quality protein to maintain that muscle, and minimal carbs for clean, sustained energy. It's a true nutritional powerhouse. So the question for you to think about is this. With its incredible nutritional profile and great taste, could turbot be that delicious, powerful addition your personal health journey has been waiting for? And just a final, important reminder, this content is for educational purposes only, and it should not be taken as medical advice. Please always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or health regimen.